All right, folks, here we go. It's Wednesday morning, March 31st, last day of the month, last day of the quarter. Things could get very, very interesting today. That said, heading into the open, it has been a very, very quiet overnight session. However, don't let that fool you. We still got a full trading day ahead of us, so things could ramp up very quickly. Now, it's been an interesting couple of days in the market too, right? So I'm sure many of you seen or you've heard about this Archegos Capital Management. All you need to know there, and the moral of that story, don't get ahead of your skis in trading. Understand the risk with every single trade. Now here at Nadex, you can only lose what it is that you put into a trade. Now when you get into some of the more complex margin accounts at other places, you're borrowing money to trade. Therefore, you could find yourself in a fairly precarious position if those stocks start to go against you. So that's the moral of that story. Understand risk when trading. Now, looking at these markets, FX, we're seeing that dollar pull back against some of the major currencies like the euro and the British pound. We've had a nice run in that dollar lately as interest rates have been on the rise. With those rising interest rates, we've seen gold getting crushed. Could be the worst quarter for gold in 4 years. Oil, very quiet in oil. We've got a big OPEC meeting tomorrow, seeing if they push forward some of these production cuts that they've implemented over the past couple of months. So oil, very quiet ahead of that meeting. It's going to be an interesting 2 days. We've got 2 days left of trading, today and tomorrow. Markets are closed on Friday. So let's go get some. I'll check in with you again tomorrow.